Hi, this is Garrison Comstock with Garrison Team Real Estate, and today I'm here to tell you about my brand new listing coming out in Silver Lake, California. It's a full 2,579 square feet on a 6,400 square foot lot. It's got a 2-car attached garage and extra parking for 3 cars out in front of that. You really got to come and check this one out. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a large master bedroom with a master suite and a walk-in closet. It's got hardwood floors and full dual pane windows throughout, air conditioning, heating, and a Nest thermostat. One of the best parts about this property is the brand new renovated backyard that's terraced, totally maxed out its potential. We've got a jacuzzi back here, as well as a built-in barbecue, a built-in fire pit, perfect for those summer gatherings. And as well, if you walk to the top, you've got a view of the mountains. It's definitely a sight to behold. Come and check it out.